chain 3, 1, 2, 3, mark the second chain of the beginning chain 3, then double crochet on the next double crochet. We are going to make this chain 3 branch into 2. So we are going to create a chain 1 between these 2 double crochets. So after the chain 1, double crochet on the same stitch. Then double crochet on the next double crochet. So we have a total of 4 double crochets now, including the chain 3 that counts as 1 double crochet. Chain 2, 1, 2, and skip the next chain 2 space and double crochet on the next double crochet. Chain 2, 1, 2, and single crochet on the next chain 2 space. Chain 2 and double crochet on the next double crochet. Doing it 3 times, so that was 1. Double crochet on the next double crochet, 2, double crochet on the next double crochet, and this is the third. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and skip the next 2 spaces, 1 and 2, and double crochet on the next double crochet. Then double crochet on the next double crochet, chain 1, double crochet on the same stitch, double crochet on the next double crochet, then chain 2, 1, 2, and skip the next 2 spaces, 1 and 2, and double crochet on the next double crochet. Three times, and this is the second. This is the third. Then chain 2, 1, 2, single crochet on the next chain 2 space, chain 2, 1, 2, and double crochet on the next double crochet. 3 times, that was 1. This is the second. Double crochet on the next double crochet, the third. Then chain 2 and skip the next 2 spaces, 1, 2, and double crochet on the next double crochet, and you notice that we are just repeating the same set of stitches that we have done before starting on the double crochet. So we made 1 double crochet, then another double crochet on the next double crochet, then chain 1 and double crochet on the same stitch, then double crochet on the next double crochet, then chain 2, 1, 2, and skip these 2 spaces, 1, 2, and double crochet on the next double crochet, 3 times. So this is the second, this is the third double crochet on the next double crochet, chain 2, single crochet on the next chain 2, and chain 2, and double crochet on the next double crochet 3 times. So this is 1, 2, and 3, and again chain 2 and skip 2 spaces, 1, 2, and double crochet on the next double crochet, and then we double crochet on the next double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet on the same stitch, then double crochet on the next double crochet. And so you keep repeating all the way around, and I will meet you at the end of this round. After the last chain 2 of the round, then slip stitch on the second chain of the beginning chain 2. And this is the end of round 11. Round 12, we begin the round by making chain 3 and mark the second chain as the beginning and ending of the round, and also the beginning of the repeating stitches. This counts as 1 double crochet. So double crochet on the next double crochet, doing it twice. So that's 1, 2. We increase the branch by 1 more stitch, so there are 3 now. So then we chain 1 and 2 double crochets on the next double crochet. Then double crochet on the next double crochet. So I'm sorry about my voice because I have allergies and I cannot seem to get over it. So this looks like this. Then chain 1 and double crochet on the next double crochet. So we are skipping this space right here and going into the next double crochet. So that's 1 double crochet. This is the second double crochet on the next double crochet. This is the third. Then we are going to make the flower stitch. We chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 to begin the flower stitch. Then make an incomplete double crochet on the third chain from hook. It's an incomplete double crochet because we are not completing the double crochet stitch. We're leaving the loop on hook. So one more double crochet on the same stitch, another incomplete double crochet. So we have a total of 3 including the initial chain. So then make another set of incomplete double crochet on the first chain of the next chain 2 right there. Make 3 incomplete, so that's the second incomplete, that is the third, then make another incomplete double crochet on the second chain of the next chain 2. That's 1 incomplete, 2 incomplete, 3 incomplete. So then we complete this 3 petal, 3 incomplete set of double crochets by yarning over and draw the loop through all loops on hook and pull up a stitch and tighten. Then make another petal. We are going to make a chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet 2 together on center of flower. So the 4 petals are made, then chain 1 and double crochet on top of the next double crochet. Looks like that now. Then double crochet on the next double crochet and the next double crochet. Then chain 1 and double crochet on the next double crochet. Two double crochets on the next double crochet. Chain 1 and 2 double crochet on the next double crochet. Double crochet on the next double crochet. Chain 1 and double crochet on the next double crochet. Chain 4 to start another petal, and we are going to do the flower stitch just like we did on here. So we chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and double crochet on the third chain. From hook, and we are making an incomplete double crochet here. So then another incomplete double crochet, then we make another set on the first chain of the next chain 2, another incomplete set of double crochet. That's one. This is the second incomplete. This is the third incomplete. And then start another set of incomplete double crochets on the second chain of the next chain 2, and then make another petal there by making chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2 incomplete double crochet on the very center of the flower, and then finish the double crochet 2 together. Chain 1 and double crochet on top of the next double crochet. That's 1 double crochet on the next double crochet. That's 2 double crochet on the next double crochet. That's 3. So chain 1, and we repeat all over the repeating stitches. The repeating stitches starts from the double crochet of the bar. We'll start calling this as bar, these long rows of double crochet stitches. So starting from here onto the chain 1. So repeat this set of stitches from here to here. From the double crochet to the chain 1. Repeat them all around. So I'll meet you at the end of the round. After the last chain 1 of the round, then we slip stitch on the second chain of the beginning, chain 3. And this is the end of the round. And that's the way it looks. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on round 13. And I'm going to take Vita for a walk because this is such a pretty day. See you next time.